I think I saw that on the security camera. Like, at the, at that, gondola thing.
What the fuck? Ah.
Demon monkey, what the fuck was that?
Perfect.
We're freezing our buns off out here.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'll be here all week.
Fool me once, rabid monkey sloth, whatever you want.
Are you okay?
It's like a bear or a tiger or something.
Oh, it was just a cute little baby Wolverine.
Baby
Don't worry,
Wolverine.
buddy. You're gonna be a big boy soon.
Nah, fuck that, man. That's a wild animal jumping out of a cabinet with red eyes. Fuck that thing. Demon! Shoot it!
Home, sweet home.
Sweet is not the word I use.
Oh my gosh, it's so